Hello fellow builders from all around the world, this is Mr. Brick Artist, proud to announce Cyber Destiny, the 11-in-1 collection for official LEGO sets number 31111. With this collection you will have the power to build Antigrav Hyper Cruiser, Cement Mixer Truck, Combat Spinner, Cryo Genesis, Cyber Drone Mark.II, Donchi and Gen Fighter Bike, Locomotive, Nauticas, Sviota Laser Shooter, Vernier Mech, Voscila Raptor. Each instruction booklet is in PDF format with cover images, making the experience easily understandable with logical steps guiding you along the way in fluid fashion. This instruction collection is available now at Rebrickable.com with the link to this specific project provided in the video's description. Come on by Rebrickable for a visit, as we creators are uploading new builds of all types and scale on a daily basis. The parts required for this instruction collection are bundled in the official set Cyber Drone number 31111, which can be found anywhere online or even at your local store where LEGO is sold. For more information on Mr. Brick Artist as a whole, including the Rebrickable and Bricklink ecosystems, you can watch the introductory video featured in the ending cards. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do so thumb-wise and subscribe with a tap of the bell notification to ensure that you don't miss out on future releases and critical information. Happy building, and see you next time.